We're driving the car. Wow, look at that for breakfast. Come on, bun. And in fact, I just go. Oh, wow. Is there enough satire for Luca Miadi? Oh, just about. Yeah, ding dong. See how beautiful that is. It's nature. What something
วัดมหาธาตุ
Wat Mahata สวยมาก I mean, look at that. Yeah, all that now. And they even got birds who are sick.
วัดมหาธาตุ
Actually, they're not sick. It's okay. Wow, galore. I don't know. Oh,
looking for food
what? Oh, having a scratch. Wow. That's what a UTR would have looked like centuries ago, assuming this is accurate. Oh. That is one hungry girl. Hungry girl. Seen a wildlife that man. Whoa. Look at all that.
We're done in Thailand for you. Hello,
Oh, you got. My God. Fun day today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty cool, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Did get coffee.